Many of you guys are fascinated by dreadlocks. Many of us want to learn how to make dreadlocks. So in this video, we're going to show you a very beginner course in making dreadlock extensions using kinky hair. So what we're going to do is get some kinky hair and spread it out and then roll it over a piece of thread. You can do this at home, you can do this in your salons, you can do this whenever you're free. It's just really a very beginner course in making dreadlock extensions. So hi friends, welcome to this Livara channel where we teach you some skills that you can use to manage your natural hair at home, or skills that you can use to get yourself some extra income. But generally, we are lovers of natural hair, and we make these amazing products using raw shea butter, avocado oil, castor oil, and the amazing natural and organic plant oils here in Africa. So here he rolls the kinky hair on a small piece of thread that is tied across a chair, and then he pulled out a small strands of hair, which he then rolls around the bigger chunk of hair, rolls around to create some sort of base, then uses the knitting pin, pushes it through a part of the thicker part of hair, and then pulls in the small strand of hair that he's tying across. So he does that repeatedly while staggering the point of injection of the needle so that it creates a sort of rugged look. It is very important not to do it so evenly, because dreadlocks are all about the rugged look and the rugged feeling. So when you notice, he's again pulling it round, staggering the point of injection, and then turning it around to create a better base. And again, staggered point of injection, pulls the little thread through, and then continues the process, does it again and again and again. So I'll let you watch and see it for yourself. So even as you're watching, you could get yourself some kinky hair, put it across a small piece of thread tied on a chair, and then you do it at home. In the next video after this one, we are definitely going to show you how to then knit this onto your hair, onto someone's hair, so that you attach it as a dreadlock addition onto the hair. Many people have short hair, yet they want to have the dreaded look. So in order for you to manage that look, you can always just have this as a hair implant a hair implant onto your short hair. So yes, he has finished one. Meanwhile, you can always make this dread extension as thick as you possibly want it to be, or as thin as you possibly want it to be, by managing the amount of hair that you use in the beginning. There, as you can see, he has reached the very end, so he folds the end back up, right, as you can see, and then staggers the pin through and pulls it, all of it, through the hair. Yes, pulls it all in through the hair, rolls it round, staggers the point of injection, pulls it through, rolls it round, staggers the point of injection, pulls it through until it is completely covered and knitted up. So right there, you have your full dreadlock extension. We're going to repeat this process just to show you how it is done on another fresh dread for your purposes of learning. At the very end, when all is done, he uses a gel. In this particular case, we're using the Livara Topaz styling gel. He uses the gel, pulls it through, and then rolls it in his hands to give the finesse, the finished look. This you must do every time you finish making your dread extension. As you can see, the one he had before with this newly made dread, he's comparing them. And now we are going to make a smaller size for the lavas of the thinner dreaded hair. Like I said before, the size of the kinky hair that you pick to make the dread is what really determines the size of the dread extension. Make sure it is easy and free, and then wrap it across the thread, and then we do it again. Dreadlocks is a very trending dreadlocks are a very trending hairstyle, and it's something that many people of African descent, Africans, blacks, really have these days, and even Caucasians and other people are loving on this whole dreaded look. So if you don't have the hair thickness or the length, you can always mimic the look using extensions. So this is exactly what we are showing you here. As you can see, he's staggering the point of injection of pulling out on this tiny patch of hair that he's using to rotate around the dread extension. Rolls it round, injects through, and then pulls the little strands of hair through, rolls it round, staggers the point of injection, pulls it through, and he does it again and again and again. We hope you've picked a skill or two from this. If you've loved this video and would like to learn more from our future videos, remember to like this video, share it as much as you possibly can, and subscribe. Hit that red subscription bell. Subscribe, because we shall be releasing videos for you 3 times a week. We shall be teaching skills, showing you how to manage your hair and that of your children, your beards, and also teaching you some business skills in Conversations with Maxima, released every Friday. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Joseph is finishing up the dreadlock extension right now, and like we said, you fold up the end piece, and it's the one that you now start pulling through the main dread extension as you lock it in firmly to create the finished dreadlock extension. You lock it in, don't turn it round, but just pull it through as you're turning the main dread to just stagger the point of injection. Right, as you can see him, he's turning it back and forth, staggering the point of injection. The thing with dreadlocks that makes them as attractive as they possibly can be is the jagged, rugged look, which we are showing you how to achieve in this video. Don't forget, after finishing up the dread extension, apply some topaz styling gel and roll it in your fingers to make it a little smooth for the wearer's head. As you can see, he's applying the topaz styling gel and rolling it in his hands. Right, that generally finishes up the dread. There you go. There you go. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share the video, and enjoy your dreadlocks look. The next video, we shall show you how to implant these extensions into your short hair. Thank you.